Next is library function. What is library function? There are many functions defined in Excel. Excel has clubbed all the functions in function library group of formulas tab. Clubbed means in Excel so many functions are there, so these functions were stored in function library. And where is the function library group? In formulas tab. I will show with practical. This is your Excel sheet, this is your formula tab. In formula tab, these are function library. In function library, so many functions are there, like you want to use math function, you want to use text function, you want to use date and time function, so these all auto sum function. And if you want to insert any function, so you will click on insert function. So these functions were stored in function library. Okay, firstly click on formulas tab, then in function library so many functions are there. Next is managing worksheet. By default, Excel displays three sheets in a worksheet named Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. How many sheets are there by default? 3, and name are Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. But we can add as many sheets as we require and assign any name to them. I will show with practical. Look here, by default how many sheets are there? 3 sheets, and name are Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Managing means you have to rename your sheet number, sheet name, and you have to add more than 3 sheets also. Clear? So how to rename? Firstly, like I want to rename of this sheet, firstly right click on this sheet and click on rename. Now I want to rename this sheet to class 7 and press enter key. Now look here, sheet 1 will be renamed with class 7 because I have renamed of sheet 1 to sheet 7. Understood? This is the process of how to renaming a sheet. If you want to add more than sheets, then click on insert worksheet. Okay, now look here, sheet number 4, sheet number 5. According to your requirement, you have to add more than 3 sheets, but by default how many sheets visible? 3 sheets, and name are sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. And if you want to rename of any sheet, simply right click on it and click on rename option. And if you want to delete a sheet, like you have by mistake you have entered wrong sheet and you want to delete this sheet, so right click on this and click on delete button. Now your sheet will be deleted. Clear? Renaming a worksheet, and this is the way of deleting a worksheet. You can delete a worksheet if it is not use of you. You delete a worksheet, right click on the sheet which you want to delete and click on the delete option. Next is changing color of a sheet tab. We can change the color also of sheet tab. Right click on the sheet tab, select the tab color option from the shortcut menu, select any color from the display choice and observe the change. I will show with practical. This is your Excel window. I want to change the color of sheet number 1, that name is class 7. Right click on it, then click on tab color. Now choose the color, like I will apply the yellow color. Now look here, yellow color will become, I will change the color with red. Look here, red color will begin. Now class 7th record, class 6th record and class 5th record. Now you want to recognize with the help of color name, so you will apply the color also. Okay, so I will repeat again which topic we have covered today. First is function. What is function? Functions are predefined formulas in Excel, and we perform with the help of functions simple and complex calculations. Clear? And we have studied common function like auto sum, average, max, min. Today function library. In function library, how to managing worksheet, how to renaming worksheet, how to delete a worksheet, and how to change color of a sheet tag. So thank you class. Hope so you understood this topic. Take care. Bye.